What's up guys, and welcome back to the Car Wars YouTube channel. So today we are going to be working on the GT-R. Unfortunately we can't do too much because we are waiting for a lot of the parts. We got parts coming from all over the world actually. We got Australia, we got Japan, China, all over the US. Some parts we were trying to source from Canada, but that didn't really go through. So we have to wait on that. That's one thing about dealing with like higher end cars or like more of an exotic style car, because it's pretty hard to find parts and they're ridiculously expensive. But we are gonna take the rear end apart. We have to expose the damage. Now that we got the trunk open, we can actually open it up and take the rear bumper apart without having to break anything. I actually got the secondary key from the owner and the cob access port cable, which is sick. Thanks man again. Pretty much the goal for today is to prep the car for the frame guy. He asked us to remove the interior panels, everything, so he can work on it. We gotta expose the rear end, everything, all the damage. So we have to take everything apart. And as soon as we have all the parts and body panels in, we can then drop it off to his shop. Also in this video guys, we will be revealing or picking the winner for the giveaway. So stay tuned, but for now, let's get working. Alright guys, so we gotta take apart the rear end. So this spoiler has a little too much damage than we'd like to deal with, so we're gonna be pulling it off. I think we spoke too soon on it. Plus the kit that we're going with has a bumper mount and it has a pretty cool spoiler. Speaking of the kit, guys, so guess what? We are going wide body. Let's go check out what the votes came in at. All right, so we were surprised. So check it out. 898 people voted. 198. 78% were for wide body. That's 709 people. And stock body was 189 people. So
which makes 21%.
21%. So, I mean, it's an obvious win for a wide body, and that's what we're going with. So, it is the winner. We are going wide body.
Yes.
Yep. Also, check it out, guys. We have mounted our little plaque. There's a trick for whoever's gonna win. We got this thing right here. Because this part of the rim is way heavier, it wants to kind of go sideways. But if you mount it, this thing upside down, it will actually like pretty much lock itself and like counterbalance. It's perfect. Just do this, hang it on the screw, and it's gonna counterbalance itself and it's gonna hold on good. Alright guys, but now let's go back to taking that rear end apart. But first, I'm sure you guys remember this wheel is crooked.
So what we're gonna do is straighten this piece out. See how it's bent like that? We're just gonna straighten it out for now. We're gonna replace it later, but just so the wheel rolls straight, we're gonna take it out, straighten it out, put it back. That way we can roll this thing easier. So this thing needs to be straight. Look at this, slight damage. So we're replacing this thing, but for now we're gonna straighten it out. So we're just gonna put it down, heat it, and just smack it. See how straight we can get it. Check this out, guys. Look at that. Almost as good as new. I'm sure there's somebody that probably could have fixed this and it would have been perfect.
Check it out. This bad boy wasn't going nowhere, if you know what I'm saying.
Oh yeah, it was secure. It had double-sided 3M sticky tape.
Definitely on here. Look at that.
Look at all these holes.
Oh, this is a special type of trunk.
It's a vent.
This is a very ventilated trunk. Let me tell you, it can breathe. It's so everything can breathe in your trunk, like your clothes from your gym and all that. I think that's what it was meant for. But check this thing out, guys. I mean, this looks so good. We're not going to be using it on the car, but man, I think we should do something with it. Think we should like
maybe put it like on a car, get like a Prelude, like a Honda Prelude, and put it on a Prelude.
Oh, dude, that's gonna be crazy. It's gonna get so much downforce on them rear tires, so it gets traction on the road and whatnot. But I mean, those things are kind of classic a little bit now. We should use this for something. I think we should like use it at least as a decoration piece.
We should mount it on the wall.
Mount it on the wall, or actually, hold on. I have a sick idea. Let's go.
Dude, don't hit the car.
No.
Don't hit your glass.
Oh, I'm sorry. My little waiting room, it's been needing some redecorating for a while. That plant outgrew this place. Okay. Like that. I think we might have to mount this. Okay guys, we're gonna have to take a little detour and have Car Wars home decoration and remodeling right now. So let's mount this thing, dude. This is gonna be sick. Guys, so check this out. This table that me and Peter have made. I mean, it looks sick. We straightened it out as much as we can, but it is sturdy. Let me tell you. I mean, Peter did a little bit of testing on it.
I mean, actually fits a good bit of stuff.
Good bit of stuff. So let's go put it into the waiting room. Alright guys, so decorating with Car Wars is now complete. Look at that. That looks so sweet. It looks so neat. Might have to get a different plant, but look at that. We got ourselves a nice little table. One of a kind. You've only seen this on the Car Wars YouTube channel. Let's get back to the GTR, guys. Alright guys, so we got the rear bumper off. So here is the damage over here. The wheel hit in this area, this part, like the sheet metal. It took the impact, most of the impact, but it also kind of hit this. So that went to the side a little bit. It shifted the whole rear bumper reinforcement. And this aluminum stuff, it just holds with pressure. It kind of gets pressed in there, and this popped out. So I mean, we already ordered new brackets for this, and because we knew they went, both of them actually, so those are coming also. But this is the damage. I mean, the exhaust took an impact because it hit the wheel, so the wheel's it was round, so it nicked this, you know, it hit this area. So that's the damage over here. But let me show you guys from the inside. You can kind of see it. This stuff there's some few creases right there. So the frame guy is gonna have to be pulling this out. He's gonna have to check it out. So that's the damage inside the trunk. And guys, we're probably gonna be replacing this ventilated trunk lid right here. I mean, look at this. All these holes that have been drilled all the way through with self-tappers. So if you guys have a trunk lid, let us know. We're gonna need a new one of those. Preferably without any holes, but I was told that all of the trunks came with the factory spoiler, so I mean, if you guys have one, let us know. That'd be awesome. We'll probably get one from you guys, or else we're gonna have to source one from somewhere else. Or maybe if somebody has a carbon fiber one that they want to sell, hit us up. I'm gonna drop a link or my email in the description. Also, bumper wise, this bumper, I mean, it's kind of damaged, but we are getting a new one with the body kit. But our tail light, it got damaged. A few brackets got broken off. There's a hole on the bottom right there. So if anybody has a tail light, hit us up. And this corner marker, I mean, the corner marker itself is good, but this one bracket seems like it's broken off. So the rear end is pretty much taken apart. He also asked us to take the interior apart, the plastic panels on both sides, so he can get access to the quarter panels. He said he might want to like tap them from the inside or whatever. He's gonna do his magic on it. He just asked us to take the interior apart, so we're gonna be working on that. Alright, so we got most of it disassembled. Peter's pulling the airbag module, so we gotta get either a new one or get that reset. Also, we pulled both of the seat belts because we gotta get those either rebuild or buy new ones. So most of the interior is pretty much taken apart.
Alright guys, so we got the GTR all taken apart. We got the rear end disassembled. Turns out we're gonna need a new tail light. The bumper is gonna be coming in our wide body kit. Probably gonna be looking for a new trunk. We already mentioned that. We're still looking for a set of headlights. We found some, but then the deal fell through. We're talking to another guy. I don't know how that's gonna go. So not a whole lot we can do right now to it because we're waiting on the frame guy. Once we get it back from the frame guy, that's when everything else, the assembly, everything starts. So that's the update on the GTR, and right now it's time for the giveaway.
Alright guys, so the way that we decided to do this giveaway, we got this website that one of our buddies found. It's YouTube Random Comment Picker. We're gonna click and it's gonna give us a random comment. Pick a random comment from all of our comments. We have 450 comments that are actually commented by you guys. So we're gonna hit the button. It's gonna give us a random comment, and you know, if it has the words giveaway, like we said in the comment, we're gonna write it down. We're gonna pick 10 different comments, 10 random comments, and then we have a way. We're gonna take those names, we're gonna write them down on a piece of paper, and we have a way to pick one winner from the top 10 contestants. So let's get this started. I really want to know who's gonna win. I'm actually kind of excited. Hope you guys are excited. So start raffle, pick random winner. There we go. Start. Okay, giveaway.
Sob Life.
Sob Life.
Hold on, let me write it down. Sob Life. Alright.
Giveaway wide body.
Christopher.
Wide body for sure, it doesn't count. Doesn't say giveaway.
Wide body for sure, yep, doesn't say giveaway.
Pick another winner. Okay, giveaway.
Chris Church.
I like the stock look. Wide body just looks weird. Also, I can get the plaque.
Ah, no giveaway.
Yeah, your number one fan. No.
Joseph
Umbom. Nope, this one doesn't count. Okay, giveaway. Sam B. Giveaway, leave a stock. Todd Starts Man.
David's Project Customs. Giveaway.
So I hope that'll give me a better chance of winning this. Giveaway.
It has a giveaway.
Giveaway, yep. Giveaway, Tim Stoyanov. Giveaway. Okay, it works. Hypervix. Okay, wide body would be awesome. Like this comment if you agree.
No giveaway.
No giveaway. Giveaway. Pepe Bado.
One more, last one.
Last
one. Who is it?
Guys, let's see. Hope it's you. Go away, A Pro. Alright, that's our top 10 contestants right there.
I hope you're in there. So there's the 10 people written down.
Right there.
We're gonna cut out
all the names.
10. So I'm gonna fold these up.
Alright, we got these 10 folks.
Alright, so what are we gonna put them in right now? Oh, so here's the idea. So we got this bag. We're gonna throw these comments, these 10 people in here. We got some air.
So the idea is, he's gonna stick his hand, blow some air in there. He's gonna try to catch a name. Whoever he catches, that's the winner.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Oh, got it. Got one. Got him. Who is it? Sam B giveaway. Now we gotta check. Sam B. I already typed it in. Search. Sam B is subscribed. All right, you're officially the winner. All right, congratulations to Sam B. You are the official winner. Get in contact with us so we can send that out to you. The next video on the GTR might be when we're taking it to frame. But tomorrow we're continuing working on the Corvette, the supercharging. So guys, subscribe, comment. If you haven't subscribed or hit the bell notification, hit it. And we'll see you guys on the next one.